Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about a very interesting and cool gadgets. So friends, before we go to the video, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video. So now let's go to the video. So friends, the first gadget is 3D hologram fan. So friends, with the help of this fan, you can do a lot of advertisement, and not only that, with the help of this, you can do a lot of amazing effects where you can impress others. And this fan is looks like really amazing. And I want to say one thing about this thing. When actually I looked for this for the first time, I was really amazed. You can see in the video how amazing it is, and you can do a lot of stuff with this, like advertising, I said. So this is the first gadget. So friends, the next product is Wow Cube. So friends, most of them would have known about the Rubik's Cube. So this is also some kind of a Rubik's Cube. So if you want to say about this, means it is a magic cube, some sort of magic cube. You can play plenty of games in this. You can see that boy what he's doing over there. You can see what he's playing games. You can do your own games. You can do your own software and play with this. You can see over here, it's just an application. You can control it completely, and you can literally do anything with that software, like change the color, design, anything. You just need to move it a bit, it will automatically turn on. Then you can just shake it, and you can select any sort of games like 204, like most of them 2048. So most of them know about those games. So you can do games in this, play games, create your own software with this. It's really simple. It's the very interesting product. So friends, this is the second product. So friends, the next product is plasma lighter. So friends, if in your house there are a lot of kids means, and they play with fire means, so this gadget will be really useful for you. So friends, using this gadget, you can light up any object easily, like candle, cigarette, and other all stuff. So friends, using this light, you can easily burn anything. It produces a large amount of heat in the plasma light. So there are two lights, so which gives more energy towards burning. And friends, one more interesting thing is that this is charged by micro USB, which is really good thing. Because you no need to buy another lighter again and again, or buying another matchstick again and again. You can just buy one of these and just charge it and use it. So friends, this is the third gadget. So the next product is smart ring. So friends, you would have used a lot of accessories like a smartwatch, phone, like ID card, and many other accessories. So you can bring this all accessories to just one ring. It's actually amazing thing. So if you want to say more about this ring, let's continue. So friends, using this ring, you can attend calls easily by just tapping a sensor at the back. And if you are together with somebody and you want to make your calls a bit secret, so you can just activate and just speak secretly. No one will hear it. And not only that, if you are in a really crowded place and noise is more, still you can hear this smart ring really clearly with no problem. Next, you one more super feature is there for this. It is it is an USB also. So this USB can be the maximum limit is 64 GB. So using this, you can store it, and if somebody else tries to access it, they will ask for password, which will go to your phone. You need to enter the password, then it will come. And not only for PC, even this you can do for mobile. So this is the features of the smart ring. And not only that, it has lot of security permissions, and when you put in the hand also, it will may ask for many security permissions and all. So friends, this is really a safe and a portable gadget. So friends, the next gadget is hand automatic hand disperser. So during this corona time, most of them could use this so that they can maintain the social distancing. So once you need to on it, and after you on it, it will automatically start for like coming out. So it's a very simple gadget only. During this corona time, most of them can buy this and use it. It's really useful gadget, and not only that, you just need to put some four AA batteries and just put soap solution in it, and it will automatically start giving the solid, like that liquid stuff. So friends, now we are in the end of the video. So please subscribe, like, comment and share. So friends, if you like this video a lot, means please comment and even share with others. So bye friends.